Okay children, we finished first lesson. Now we will go to the poem Bender the Blender. Let me write on the board and line by line I will explain to you. Bender the Blender. First line is, there once was a blender. B-L-E-N-D-R, blender. There once was a blender. His name was Bender. His name was Bender. His name was Bender. B-E-N-D-R, Bender. Third line, when no one was home, when no one was home, when no one was home, he would come alive and roam. He would come alive and roam. And roam, R-O-A-M, roam. All his friends would be there soon. All his friends would be there soon. The friend's name was the knife, the fork, F-O-R-K, fork, and the spoon, and the spoon, S-P-O-O-N, spoon, and run all over the ground. Over the ground. Eight lines I written, more 4 lines I will write after this explanation. So, Bender the Blender, poem name is Bender the Blender. Blender means mixer. The name of the blender is Bender. Here blender means mixer and the name of the blender is Bender. There once was a blender. Once there was a blender in the home. His name was Bender. So, what is the name of the blender? Bender. And when no one was home, when nobody is in the home, what this Bender did? He would come alive and roam. He would come alive. Alive means he will get the life. And roam. Roam means what? Walking here and there. So, when no one was in home, he would come alive. He got the life and roaming in the home. And not only alone he is roaming, with him all his friends would be there soon, all joined and roaming there. First one is, friends names are the knife, the fork and the spoon. All the friends are joined and roaming in the home and run all over the ground. All over the ground they are roaming. So, there once was a blender. His name was Bender. See here rhyming words, blender, ER lastly ending, and bender. Blender, bender, rhyming words. When no one was home, when nobody is in the home, what he did? He would come alive. Alive means he got the life. In this poet saying like that, he got the life and roam. Here also rhyming words, home and roam. These two words are rhyming words. Then next stanza, all his friends would be there soon. After he roamed, friends were joining. Who are all the friends? Knife, the fork and the spoon. All of them joined and run here and there. So, once again repeat the poem. Bender the Blender. There once was a blender. His name was Bender. When no one was home, he would come alive and roam. All his friends would be there soon, the knife, the fork and the spoon, and run all over the ground. Here I mark the rhyming words. Rhyming words means ending. Pronunciation, same pronunciation. Blender, bender. These two words are rhyming words. Home, roam. Then roam, soon. Home, roam. Then soon, spoon. Okay. Bender, blender, home, roam, soon, spoon. These three words are rhyming. Three set of rhyming words. Then next para. Next stanza. Then next stanza. Soon everyone is glum. Soon everyone is glum. Everyone is glum. G-L-U-M, glum. Everyone is glum. Hearing the car sound. Hearing the car sound. How the car will make noise? Vroom, vroom. Vroom, vroom. Hearing the car, roam, roam. They have to draw the line. Who have to draw the line? Bender and the friends. They have to draw the line. They have to draw the line and wait until next time. And wait until next time. So, I already said two stanzas. So, there once was a blender, his name was Bender. When no one was home, what he did? He would come alive and roam. He got the life and roam. All his friends, who are all the friends? The knife, the fork and the spoon, all together they are roaming on the ground and run here and there. Soon everyone is glum. Glum means disappeared. Suddenly what happened? All the friends and Bender disappeared. Why? Hearing the car sound. The people in the house came, so hearing the car sound, room, room, they disappeared. They have to draw the line. They have to stand in a line and wait until next time. That means what? Till the people from the home have to go out, understand? So, once again, there once was, repeat the poem, there once was a blender, his name was Bender. When no one was home, he would come alive and roam. All his friends would be there soon, the knife, the fork and the spoon. They would gather around and run all over the ground. Soon everyone is glum, hearing the car, room, room. They have to draw the line and wait until next time. I already said the rhyming words, three set of rhyming words said blender, bender, then home, roam, soon, spoon and around, ground. Now here we can see the rhyming word glum, room, then line, time. Okay, this set of rhyming words. So you have to by heart this poem. Next time I will ask you. Now next we will go to first lesson. The big offer I already taught you, that lessons, meanings, present tense, past tense, singular, plural, we will see, and opposites. You take down in your notebook and learn. Neatly write, children, then only you can understand what you written. So, the lesson name is The Big Offer. Already I taught you the Ramu lesson. In this lesson, first Roman letter is meanings, then singular plural, then present past, present tense, past tense, then opposites. So, I will say the word, you have to say meaning, whether it may be meanings opposite, singular plural or present past tense. First I am saying the word run. For that you have to find out the past tense. R-U-N, run. For this, what is the past tense? Ran. You have to change the letter U and ran. This letter, second letter, U change to A. Then next word, restaurant. You have to find out the meaning of that. Restaurant means hotel. What is that? Hotel. H-O-T-E-L, hotel. Now next word, make. You have to find out the past tense of that. Okay, let me write here. I am not able to write here. So, present past, we will continue here. First word, what I said? Run. Run change, U change into A, and we can pronounce that word ran. Next word, what I said? Make. So, this K change into D. Made. What is the past tense of make? Made. Now, next word, get. Get, you have to find out the past tense. G-E-T, get. So, this E change into O, got. Got. Now, next word, tasty. You have to find out the meaning of the word tasty. T-A-S-T-Y, tasty. Tasty means delicious, yummy. Yummy saying no? Delicious. Very tasty, no? Delicious. Now next word, cook. We have to find out the past tense of the word cook. C-O-O-K, cook. With this word, we have to form new word. We can't change this word, letters. So, cooked. C-O-O-K-E-D, cooked. E-D you have to add with this word. Next word, biggest. You have to find out the opposite of the word biggest. Big means you know. What is the opposite of biggest? Smallest. Smallest. Next word, sick. What is the meaning of sick? We can find meaning of sick and also the opposite of sick. Meaning sick means not well, not healthy, unhealthy. Okay. Sick meaning means what? Not well, otherwise not healthy. Suppose if you find out meaning opposite means sick means healthy. Sick, healthy. If you fell ill means we can say sick. If you healthy means opposite of that is healthy. Now next word, feel. Feel you can find out the past tense. Feel. This word also fully changed, felt. Feel, past tense of is felt. What is the past tense of feel? Felt. F-E-L-T, felt. Then next word, able. Able. Able meaning is can, we can. I can able to do. I can do. Able. Now opposite of this is unable. I am unable to do. Unable. Then next word, help. What is the past tense of help? This also ed you have to add. New word you have to form. Helped. H-E-L-P-E-D. Helped. E-D you have to add. Then next comes work. Work also past tense. With that you have to add ed. Worked. Worked. So some words you have to add ed and other words you can change the letters. Then next friend. Friend means you can singular plural you can add. Singular means single friend. So many means friends. Friends. Suppose opposite of friend is enemy. 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 Present tense, past tense not come here. Then next one, prepare. For that past tense, prepared. Prepare. Here also ed you have to add. Prepared. Take down children clearly in your notebook. Prepared. Then next comes minute. This also plural, minute. Plural of this is minutes. 1 minute means minute. More than 1 means minutes. Minutes. Then next comes mix. Mix, past tense of mix is mixed. Mixed. Mix, present tense. Finish mixing means mixed. 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 Now next now singular plural onion. Single means onion. More than one means onions. Same way tomato. Only you can add s here. But suppose in tomato you have to add es. Some words we have to add es. Here tomato single. More than one means tomatoes. Then chilies. Chilies. Chilli. Single means chilli. More than one means chillies. This y change into ies. This y change into ies. Chillies. Then next come past tense come. Past tense of come is came. C-O-M-E come. This O change into A. Came. Past tense right means this O change into A. Came. Then next chef. Meaning of chef. Chef means expert in cooking. Expert. Very good in cooking. Expert cook. Expert cook. Now once again see here I am explaining you meanings. The big offer lesson already I taught you meanings here. Restaurant, hotel, H-O-T-E-L, hotel. What is that? Restaurant, hotel. Tasty. What is the meaning of this? Delicious. D-E-L-I-C-I-O-U-S. Delicious. So tasty. What is the answer? Very good. Delicious. Next, sick. Not well. Sick means not well or not healthy. Not well. W-E-L-L, well. Chef. Expert cook. Okay, who is the chef in the big offer lesson? The recipe book. Okay. Expert cook. Chef expert. E-X-P-E-R-T expert. Expert means very good in cooking. Then next meanings over. Restaurant, hotel, tasty, delicious, sick, not well, chef, expert cook.